Good morning, everyone. Hey, it's Keegan. Welcome back to my channel. Today's Monday. Are you guys ready for a college week in my life? I look like an egg today. Kind of like it. I feel like I look more eggy on camera. I really need to make my bed, but I don't want to. This is my outfit for today. I'll link it all down below for you guys. I just realized I need to add a necklace, but Zara, Amazon, Nike, Amazon, yay. Earrings are Amazon, and I think I have a couple options for the necklaces, but I think I'm gonna go for one thick necklace instead of a bunch of small ones because I don't feel like putting on a ton of small ones. What do we think? Yeah, H&M. I've already had a little bit of a more stressful morning. Things just are not wanting to go my way today, but I got some stuff done today. I sent out some emails. I have a lot going on today. It's a very busy day for me. Time to go to class. Never ended up making my bed. Really need to do that though. Kind of bothering me. Imagine the sadness that happens when you're driving alone. There's nowhere to... Today has already been a day for sure. I always take the bus to school. It was broken last week and I assumed that it wasn't broken this week because it wasn't normally where it is. So I was like, okay, so it's like out and about, like bringing people to school, and they never sent us an email, and I was waiting for like 10 minutes for it, and I was like, where is this? And then some guy that was also waiting with me went and asked, and they were like, oh, it's still broken. Maybe tell me, I don't know, but I had an Uber, no big deal. I got to class. If you guys saw my video last week, my laptop was broken. I had to bring it to the Apple store. They had to wipe the entire thing clean. He said that it wasn't likely for them to have to wipe it clean, but then they had to, so I basically had to reset it up. But I was in class and I literally had one Chrome tab open. I wasn't even on it. Like, my computer was just sitting there and I was like listening to him talk like the professor. My computer starts overheating to a point where I'm like, is this about to explode? I turned it off, opened it back up, did it again. Like, it's been a day. Also, packages got delivered. I have recently been getting a lot of packages lost, and these are 2 packages that were lost, and then they found them in the leasing office, which is great. This one I think I'm gonna return. I just bought this like sweatshirt from Amazon. It came literally one day too late. I wanted to use my Cricut and Easy Press and like iron something onto it, but I did that yesterday, so I think I'm just gonna return it, and it's not even that soft. So, and then I got this necklace from Etsy, which says it was delivered over a week ago, but it's so beautiful. It's a 13. It's a custom necklace that I got done. You can kind of not really tell it's a 13. It kind of looks like a B. 13, of course, Taylor Swift, duh. We don't even need to mention it. But also, I started my YouTube channel in 2013 when I was 13. I know I said that I wasn't gonna put all my necklaces on today, but I got this one to layer with all my other necklaces, so we're gonna put them on. I will link this down below. I will link all my necklaces, except for there's one that I will not link, and it's my like thicker gold chain, not this one, because the customer service was absolutely trash. I own a small business, so I understand when a lot of things are out of your control. The necklace came broken, and I was like, I'm willing to send it back to get a new one, and they were so rude to me. I literally will never, no, I'm not giving you a link. That's so like trash of me to say, but they were so rude to me, and I was so nice in my opinion, but whatever. It's way too long. I wanted it like here-ish. I literally got different length necklaces, so I don't really understand. I fixed it. I saw this TikTok thing where you like attach one end of this necklace to one end of this necklace in like reverse. I'm afraid it's not gonna stay in place. I mean, it works for now. When you're crying, the radio's carrying you home. It's hard to stay focused, so close. I'm creating a study guide for one of my classes. I don't know why, but I can't do it. My neck also really hurts. Today's the day where I'm going through it. I'm trying to stretch out my neck. Oh well. Today has been just such a day. Like, I am just trying everything that I can to not cry right now. Everything that could go wrong today, I feel like has gone wrong. Also, update, I don't know if I mentioned it, but the necklace thing didn't work. It would move the necklaces, so it didn't work. That is not why today's been a day. Let me just preface that by saying that I'm not upset about some necklaces. I have an exam tomorrow, and I need to study for it, and I made the Quizlet, and I keep trying to like study it, and I just cannot retain this information to save my freaking life. I decided I'm gonna go get food, which I told myself I wasn't going to. I just want some happiness, and food makes me happy, but I don't know what I want. I'm so sorry that today has been like such like a sad day to watch this vlog. I got canes. Good morning, everyone. Happy Tuesday. Today I have an exam, so I'm gonna take my morning and just study for it. I leave in about like an hour-ish to go to class, so I thought for that hour-ish I could just study on my phone on Quizlet. Here's my thing. The questions that I'm studying, it's like name the 8 blah blah blah, name the 4 blah blah blah, what are the 3, what are these? And so it's like a lot of like lists of names, and I know all of them. There's some that I'm like, what is that? And then I like look at the answer and I'm like, oh yeah, if it's multiple choice, I could easily pick that out, but I can't remember it like not being multiple choice. Does that make any sense? Does anyone else relate to that? Also, I know you guys don't care, but the necklace thing, what I actually ended up doing was I took like a little clear elastic and I just shortened it. So life hack, if you guys ever need to shorten a necklace, just take a little clear elastic. I think it's no secret that yesterday was not my day. Not like I said that it was a day a million times yesterday. At the very end of the day, I just got so happy, and I feel like today I'm just in such a good mood because my best friend Emma, I'll link her channel down below. I hope she makes a story time about this. She's obsessed with Jennifer Aniston. She's like dedicated her whole life to Jennifer Aniston. She probably loves Jennifer Aniston even more than I love Taylor Swift, which I know it's like, is that even possible? But yeah, she has 2 Jennifer Aniston tattoos, and she went to Jimmy Kimmel. I'll link the video down below. Jimmy Kimmel like told Jennifer Aniston that Emma has like tattoos for her, and like they talked, and it was like on TV. She literally like lived out her dream. If I met Taylor Swift and Taylor Swift talked to me while on a talk show, I would be fine if I died in that moment, because I think that my life would have been complete. And so I'm just in such a good mood because I'm so happy for her. Like, it's all I'm thinking about. My best friend just like lived out her dream. Everything that she's ever wanted in life, she got that. Like, I'm literally getting chills. But if you guys want to watch the video, I'll link it down below, and I'll link her channel. Hopefully she made a story time by now. Let me preface this by saying I have literally never in my entire life worn a dress to school. I feel like it's cute because it's like more casual, you know what I mean? Like, it's a longer dress, but I feel like it's a casual dress, which makes it okay. But it's from Forever 21. It's like a little bit see-through, but it's like so flowy that I'm like, you can't really see anything. That's the outfit. I'll try to link it down below, but I always have a really hard time finding Forever 21 links because they have so much stuff. So I need to study. I'm really procrastinating. This is me procrastinating. Hi besties, I'm back. I had class. I got an 80% on that exam, which I'm honestly annoyed about. The exam was stupid in my opinion. First off, he was late to class. My professor was. He was like, okay, start without me. And we were like, Also, I really want to cut my hair this length now that I'm seeing it. Kind of cute, but like I could never. The reason I didn't like the exam was because there was questions and like the wrong answer is wrong because a word is misspelled. This isn't a spelling test. This is not a spelling bee. Sir, this is a marketing class. And what really annoyed me is there's this guy in my class and he's like, I had this professor before. These exams are super easy. You barely need to study. And I studied quite a bit, like for like, I don't know, 4 or 5 hours. And I was like, okay, I think that's like more than enough, you know? No, he was like, these things will be on it. And then I was like, great. And then there was like a ton of things that he didn't tell us would be on it. Anyways, I'm back now. I just ate food. I have a little package. I'm actually gonna go to a spin class with my friend, but we're gonna go shopping beforehand because we're actually going out of town soon, and we both did not realize how soon it was coming up. I ordered these organizational cubes for my dresser because I just have one drawer that is just a total mess. I have more important things to do than organizing my socks, but I do really want to do it. You guys are probably watching this being like, I don't care. Sorry. You never would notice. Okay, I literally got nothing done. I need to change out of this dress and into workout clothes. I'm gonna wear the workout clothes I wore earlier today. That might be disgusting. I don't feel like washing 2 sets of workout clothes when I only need to wash 1. Sorry if I gross you guys out, but I'm lazy. So lonely. And if you ask me if I ever cried, only when I look into your eyes. I went to spin class with my friend. I was not doing well. Like, I was unwell in that class. The first 4th, I was like, yes, I'm gonna push myself. And then I was like, I can't push myself. I physically can't do it. Came back here. I started using those organizers to like organize like my socks and stuff, and I feel a lot better. Like, my space just feels a lot more organized. And then Laura Norris, my girlie, we've literally been sending each other Snapchat videos back and forth of like us FaceTiming, but like not physically in person. Do you know what I mean? We've been doing that for 2 hours now, and that's literally my nighttime routine. Her and I do it every single night. It's so fun. I think I have everything done, so I'm like, I can relax. I can Snapchat. Happy Wednesday, everyone. I worked out this morning. I did like a little body shower. I'm letting the dry shampoo sit in my hair, soak up all the grossness. I washed my hair yesterday, and I'm like, why did I do that? Because I worked out again. I have a couple of things I want to get done today before I go to school. I have like an hour before I need to leave. Oh, should I show you my outfit? This shirt, I got it at a flea market. These shorts, they're long from Zara. I kind of like in between if I like them or not. I could roll them, which I feel like is like safer However, this is like more of a statement, but it's also like borderline ugly. And then I also am wearing all my little necklaces that I love. Currently packing up my backpack to go to class. I actually made an appointment with a career counselor right after my last class. I wanted to put some things on my resume that I'm like not too sure how to word, just because they're not like as common, you know, like there's a lot of things. Oh, you have this expertise, here's what you put. For mine, YouTube, the small business thing, like I was just like, I'm not really exactly sure how to phrase this and make this look good. And then my friend Tori and I, of course, every Wednesday, I'm sure you guys have gotten the gist by now, but we go get coffee. Flying back home. There's nowhere to hide when... Back home now. I'm actually kind of like running out of time a little bit. My friend is picking me up. She already left, but I went to class. I went to that career counselor appointment. It honestly wasn't what I was expecting it to be. Like I thought we'd be like sitting there working on my resume and she's like, send me your resume, I'll give you notes. And I'm like, okay, like great, but like that means I have homework, but I don't mind. She was super helpful. Okay, I'm gonna go get coffee. I'll see you later. And we're back home. I had so many technical difficulties that I got absolutely nothing done. First of all, the Wi-Fi wasn't working, and then none of my things were working, and then like I tried to do a ton of different things and nothing was really working. So I'm about to go on my Zoom group project meeting. Every Wednesday we meet. I'm eating frozen grapes, which I should not have put it in this glass container because they don't get very frozen. When you put it in a glass container, I don't know. I'm taking L after L today. I don't know, man. I'm gonna grind out this group project meeting, and then I have some plans afterwards that I'm like excited for, but also like, should I have said yes to this? Hello. Literally while I was in my group project meeting, I was getting ready. We're going out tonight and it's 7 o'clock, but the place that we're going, you have to get there early to get like any kind of like table to exist there. You need to get there early. So I was putting makeup on while I was working on the project with my group. I was still participating, in my defense. I went for like a brown on black moment. I really love brown and black together. All my roommates are wearing like funky skirts and stuff, and I'm like, I'm gonna wear black jeans. All my necklaces that I normally wear, I feel like these necklaces add a lot to this outfit, I'm not gonna lie. This is from Express, the like halter brown bodysuit. These jeans are from Zara. I showed you guys like me trying on a bunch of jeans in my Productive Sunday vlog. And then these are my boots from Steve Madden, but I'm wearing like white socks. And I'm like, I totally should change, but I know that these are going to give me a blister. And like, I'm like, does the white peeking out look stupid? Because there's no other white in my outfit. But I'm like, if I don't wear white, I think that my feet are going to hurt really bad. I also have this option of wearing these more like statement earrings. I think I might wear these. These are from Grace, my mom's best friend. Got them for me when I was in elementary school, and I am just now starting to wear them, but I love them. I used this palette. It's the Too Faced Born This Way, the Natural Nudes. I'll link it down below. I'm about to go get intoxicated. Love you. See you in the morning. Good morning. Happy Thursday. Last night was fun. The plans changed. We all got ready. We were all ready to go, and then the plans instantly changed, and we were like, when I'm intoxicated, I'm just like more honest with people. And I saw this guy that worked at my old evil apartment complex, and he was like, hi, like, blah, blah, we were talking. I was like, honestly, I didn't like you for a really long time. And he was like, what? And I was like, yeah, you were mean to me once and it really hurt my feelings. And he was like, no, I was never mean to you. And I was like, I remember this. You don't remember this. And I was like, you were sitting here. It was on this day. I remember exactly what I was wearing. You were sitting next to your girlfriend. And he was like, it was probably my girlfriend that was mean to you. And I was like, no. It was you. We made up. It's okay. So I obviously woke up not feeling the best because, you know, being intoxicated last night. I had not like hungover, but my stomach kind of hurts. I got up barely, go to the gym for my workout that I already paid for because like I'm not gonna lose the money. Heck no. And I was so proud of myself for doing that I was like, you know what? I'm gonna have the best morning ever. I've been wanting to do this for a really long time, where after I go to the gym, I get a chai and I get a breakfast burrito from this place that I've heard is really good. The Dutch line was short. However, it took me 35 minutes to get my drink, to get out of the line. And then I was like, okay, this took forever. I'm gonna go into the breakfast burrito place, get my breakfast burrito, dip out. That place took 30 minutes as well. It was over an hour of like me just waiting for my drink and for my breakfast burrito. And then, wait, actually, I should be productive. I was waiting for my breakfast burrito forever. Also, I saw them make it and then it just sat there for like 20 minutes and I wanted to say something, but I was like, I don't want to be that person. Anyways, I was like, I will call my bank, because yesterday I actually marked a charge that I made as fraud, because when my bank texted me, they said again. Is this fraud? If it is fraud, say no. If it's not fraud, say yes. Who phrases their sentence like that? Well, I guess I misread it and I marked it as fraud and I didn't think anything of it. And they like sent me another text like, call this number, and I was like, I just like, it's fine, whatever. When I was getting drinks, like my card kept declining, so I had to use my credit card. I called my bank and I was literally on hold for so long, and then right as the person answers, the lady at the breakfast burrito place was like, what kind of sauce do you want? And I'm like, hello, red. Thank you. And then some car like almost hit me. It's been a morning. Also, the breakfast burrito wasn't even good. I know that I sound like I'm complaining so much right now, and I apologize, but it's been a rough morning and I'm determined to make today a better day than it already has been. Class is over. It's honestly almost 5 p.m. right now, which is absolutely crazy. I got home pretty late. I feel like later than normal. I don't know why. I got home and I was like, what? And then my roommates were sitting downstairs in the living room. They were just watching TV, so I joined them, and then I uploaded my video. I did all the links for it, made my thumbnail. It's been a lot more time consuming, I'm going to be honest, because I've been trying really hard to link everything for you guys in the description, and that takes like a really long time. So if there's anything in this video, like even this shirt, I'll link it down below. Everything that you guys see in this video, I will link down below. Tomorrow is my to-do list restock. I don't know. I'm sure by the time you guys watch this, the weeklies might still be in stock. I literally love them. I'll link them down below, but these are like the best to-do lists. I made them. I'm biased. I mean, I've done quite a bit of things. Really don't want to do this assignment. Okay, so I just have to respond to 5 discussion boards. You never would notice. Remember what it felt like when you left me. It's only 8:31 and today's already a good day. Happy Friday, guys. My to-do list restock in 31 minutes. Taylor Swift just released Wildest Dreams, Taylor's version. I'm obsessed. I love the album cover too. I'm about to buy the new iPhone 13. Mine's like super old. I told myself whenever the next one comes out, I'm getting it. This is expensive. Okay, I feel like I don't want a case right now, but I feel like I kind of need to buy one because I don't want to like drop it immediately. I'm also getting my hair done, and I know that takes a really long time. Okay guys, I need to clean my room. It's gotten so bad. Everything around me felt so lonely. And if you ask me if I ever cried, I'm about to leave to go get my hair done. I feel like I always wash my hair before I get my hair done. I remember last time she's like, you don't have to do that. And I was like, oh, I also really want to get a new vlog camera. I just bought the new iPhone, so I've already spent so much money today, and I know getting my hair done is going to be expensive. It's gonna be an expensive month, and I'm like, just do I just pull the trigger and do it? Maybe while I'm getting my hair done, I'll like research some like videos or whatever. I'm here at this salon. My hairstylist said she might be a little late. I'm kind of like, is this her pulling up next to me? No, it's not. It's not. But I'm here. She's running a little late, so I'm just gonna like sit in like lobby for a minute. Look into your eyes. Remember what it felt like when you left me. Everything around me felt so lonely. And if you ask me if I ever cried, only when I look into your eyes. Tell me I'm not the cutest thing you've ever seen. Can't convince me otherwise. We actually had to tone this a little bit like darker and golder because it was like a little more white, and we made it like perfect. I love it. What do you guys think? I think it's so cute. I ended up going to my parents' house and literally no one cared. I was like, okay, bye then. Now I'm back in my apartment. I'm gonna do the dishes I forgot to do yesterday, and then I'm getting sushi with a friend, so I'll probably just end the video here. I hope you guys like this video. If you're not already subscribed, subscribe. I love you so much, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.